Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 2. Yes, Standard 2, Chapter 10, and the chapter name is Places of Worship. So in this chapter we will see that different regions religious are there and their different worship. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludos, Carom video game. You can read your book, story book. In fact, you can complete your work which you received on online classes. Till if you have not completed, still you have not completed your holiday homework, then please you guys complete it, because you all know that it all the project work marks it will add in your first term exam and it's very important. So it's better that whenever the school will open, I will ask for the homework and holiday homework and project work, that all you have to show me. And please till chapter 9 if you have not completed, then please complete it, because after the 10 finish the chapter, again I will give you the homework on PDF on the website of our school, Hartford International School. So please go there and just check your homework and you can complete it in your fair copy. One more information, that we all know that we are in very pandemic disease and pandemic situations like COVID-19. So it's better that we can be safe at home and we can enjoy our life with the family members, because nowadays the COVID-19 corona is just increasing, it's not finished. So that's why the doctor is there, they just are doing a hard work. So it's better that we can stay at home. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly with soap, with Dettol and with sanitizer. And I might guess that you guys had purchased your book. If you don't, then purchase it as soon as possible, because before the vacation I just used to teach you SST through Ylings, but after the vacation I just go to teach you SST through Ylings also and shooting the videos for you. So please continue attend your online classes, don't miss any classes. And yeah, so let's start the chapter. So we all pray to God. Places of worship is what? We all pray to God. Yes, for a healthy life, we all pray to God. People go to different places to worship, to pray. The people, they are religious, they can go what? They can go different places to worship, to pray for their good life, for healthy life, for happiness life. First of all, the first topic is temples. Now, temple is what? Here Hindus' temple is there. So the religious Hindu are there. They usually go to the temple to pray. See, it's written in your book also that Hindus go to a temple to pray. They pray to many gods and goddesses. We all know that in Hindu we have lots of god and goddess, like Lord Shiv, Lord Vishnu, Lord Saraswati. Then many Ganesh is there, so Lord Ganesh. So many different many gods and goddess is there. So that's why the Hindus people, they are go to pray to God and goddess in temple. Hindus people, they offer flowers. Yes. Now they offers what? They just offers the flowers, fruits, sweets and etc. Yes, once we are going to just to the temple to pray, then we just take in one plate flowers, agarbattis like incense sticks, then flowers, matchsticks, then sweets, sweets. Yes, we are taking in fact coconuts, and then for that we are going, and then we are just going to pray on temple. They light diyas and incense stick, agarbattis. So agarbattis we can say incense sticks. So the Hindus people, they are just going to the light the diyas also, and they just use the agarbattis also. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata Gita. Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita are the two of the holy books of the Hindus. Now for the Hindus, we have two books of the holy books for Hindus. That first is Ramayan, and the second is Bhagavad Gita. So this is what it is, just the story of the god Ram, and Bhagavad Gita, it's the story of also of Bhagwan, so that we can know that on the goddess times, so what was that and what the characters of there. So that's why the temples, the people, Hindus people are going to pray, and they go to pray to God and goddess. In fact, they offer the flowers, sweets also, and we light the diyas and incense sticks like agarbatti. And the Ramayana and the Bhagavad Gita, these are the two holy books of the Hindus. So one question is there. Find out the names of 3 important characters of Ramayana. So I think in lockdown that Ramayana series, it's every day it's just available on the TV. So I hope that you know that the 3 characters of the Ramayana, that the 3 important main characters, it's a god of Ram. So the first is what, that in name it's hidden, the name, the first is what, Ram. The first character is what, Ram. In the Ramayana, the first character, the main character is Ram. Second, the Lord Sita, and third is Lakshman. So these 3 is the main characters in the Ramayana, in the series of Ramayana. Next is what, mosques. Mosques, mostly there the Muslims are gone to pray. Muslims go to a mosque to pray. So every Friday the Jummah are there. So the people, the Muslims, they just used to go to the Muslim. They just pray to God. They offer the prayers in the form of namaz in the mosque. So in the mosque, the men only gone, and they just pray or offers in the form of namaz. They are just sitting and they are just putting the handkerchief in their head, and then they just started to learn to pray the God in form of the namaz. They read their holy book called the Quran. In fact, the Muslims, they have their holy book which called the Quran. So they used to read that holy book in the mosque. So temple holy book is the Hindu holy book is the Ramayana and the Bhagavad Gita, and the mosque temple is the Muslims holy book is the Quran. Prophet Muhammad is the founder of Islam. So Prophet Muhammad, he is the founder of Islam. Islam is always for the Muslims. Did you know it there? The Jama Masjid in Delhi. Jama Masjid is in Delhi. It is one of the oldest and largest mosque of India. So in whole India, the Jama Masjid is what? It is the oldest, very old, because it is the Shah Jahan's time, the Jama Masjid, and it is the largest mosque of India. So when those the people, they are living in the Delhi, New Delhi or Delhi, the people are used to go there, the Jama Masjid, on Friday, or if any festivals are there like Eid and Bakrid, then they are going and they are praying to God, and they are just reading the namaz. In fact, they read the holy book also called the Quran. About the next worship of prayers and religious, that we will see in the next videos. So please guys, watch next videos, and whatever the homework I am giving, please, it's a request, please go there and complete it in your fair copy, because once the school will open, I have all the records and I want all the homework in your fair copy. It should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting. Till that, thank you and have a nice day. And please watch the lecture number 2, part 2 related of this chapter if you want to know much more about this chapter. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.